Today, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Windows 8. The first thing you want to do is take your mouse cursor, or if you own a touchscreen, take your finger and drag it to the right top hand corner of the screen and then slide it straight down. You're going to see this menu come up and you want to click or select search. Once you see this, you're going to click here and select the settings option. Then you're going to type in power. Next, you're going to go down to change power saving settings and select that option. Then you're going to change it from the default balanced to high performance. Next, we're going to defragment and optimize our hard drive. This is the hard drive that has Windows 8 on it. So what we're going to do is take our mouse cursor again, or like I said, if you have a touchscreen, take your finger and go to the right top hand corner and slide it straight down. Go to search again, and then you're going to go here and left click and select settings, and this time you're going to type in defrag. And then you're going to come down and select defragment and optimize your drives. Now you will see all your hard drives, but the one that interests you is the one with Windows on it. It'll have a little Windows symbol next to it, and it's usually the C drive. You'll select this drive and then click optimize. Now I wanted you to know that I did shorten the process for the purpose of my video, but it actually does take around 10 minutes to complete. So if you want to do something else during this time, feel free. Once it's done, you can come back and close this window. Alright, the next step is to delete any temporary or unnecessary files on your computer. And this will also speed up Windows 8. So go to the top right hand corner, slide down to search, click on it, then change everywhere to settings and type in disk cleanup. Now you're going to go down to the second option, which is free up disk space by deleting unnecessary files. Click on it. This will bring up this window. You're going to click on Clean Up System Files. And now you will see check marks by downloaded program files, temporary internet files, device driver packages. So then scroll down and you will also see thumbnails selected, and if temporary files is not selected, you can just click on it and check mark that off too, and then just click on OK. It'll ask you for confirmation. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click delete files. Alright, so the next thing we could do to speed up Windows 8 is to disable any programs that are running in the background. Now, these are programs that start up when Windows starts up. So even though they're not opened and you didn't open them, they're still using up system's resources. So in order to disable them, you're going to take your mouse, you're going to come down to the taskbar, right click, and select Task Manager. Left click on that, and it'll open up the Task Manager, and you're going to go to Startup. Now, there are going to be some programs here that you can easily disable. You can see that I've already disabled two of them, the QuickTime task and the Apple Push. These are programs that don't need to be running unless, I request them. And I didn't disable anything by Microsoft Corporation, and I don't recommend that you do that because it's probably a Windows application needed to run Windows 8. And I also urge you to be careful not to disable your antivirus program. But there are programs you can disable here. So for example, Adobe Acrobat Reader, or Microsoft Office, or anything like that, you can disable that because it doesn't need to be running in the background. So you would just select the program and then just click to disable it. In this case, it's an enable because I already disabled it, but normally it would be like this, and then you would just click on it and click disable, and it would be disabled, and that's it. So yeah, just go through here and try to select the programs or maybe games that you have that are using up systems resources in the background, and just disable those. Next, we're going to improve the speed of the folders, so how fast they come up, or how fast they pop up, or how fast they appear when you hover over them with your mouse. So you're going to take your mouse cursor, come over to the left, and when you're over the Windows icon, right click, go to Run, and left click to select it, and then type in regedit. So regedit. And then you're going to click OK. And then you're going to go down to current user and click on that. You're going to see this menu appear. Next, you're going to go to control panel. Then you're going to go to desktop. And then you are going to go down and select menu show delay, and double click on that and change the value to 10. Then you're going to click OK. Then you're going to go down to mouse, and you are going to select mouse hover time. Double click on that, and then change that to 10 as well. Now this will speed up how fast folders come up when you hover over them, or how fast they pop up when you open them. And you're not going to notice it right away. It's not going to be a super big difference, but you'll definitely notice that there is a bit of a speed increase when you open or hover over some folders. Okay? Alright, so there's some other things we can do to speed up Windows. So if you take your mouse cursor and right click, you can go to personalize, and then you can turn off the screensaver. So go down to screensaver here and left click on it. It'll bring it up, and if your screensaver is on, you can just turn it off and just select none, and then click apply, and then click OK. And then you can also turn off sound for Windows 8. Now this is specifically for Windows 8, so it won't turn off sound for your movies or your music or your games. So you can just click on sounds and then go to sounds where you see Windows default here. You're just going to click on it and click on no sounds, and then just click on apply and OK. And this will basically shut down all those sounds you hear when there's an error message or when you click on something that's Windows based. Okay? Alright, so this will be the last tip on speeding up Windows 8. What you're going to do is take your cursor, go to the right top hand corner, slide down to search, and click on it. And you're going to type in system. Next, you're going to left click on system, and it'll bring you to this screen. You're going to go to advanced system settings here, left click on that, and under performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, you're going to click on the settings, and it'll bring you to this screen. This is basically everything that makes Windows look prettier. So it'll have animated controls, shadows. All of these things take up your computer's resources. So basically it uses up your RAM and some of your processing power. So in order to make Windows 8 faster, you could click on adjust for best performance, and it'll basically take away all of these. Now you can, put some check marks for stuff you can't live without. Let's say you definitely need, a shadow under your mouse pointer, then you can leave that on. But the fewer you leave on, the better it is, because the faster Windows will run, because there'll be more resources available for Windows 8. So once you've made your selection, you can either, like I said, adjust for performance or do your custom one. Like I said, you wanted shadows under the mouse pointer. So then click on Apply, and then click on OK, and you'll click on OK here, and close this down, and now Windows should be significantly faster for you. Okay, well that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Thanks, and have a great day.